So this is a brief video on my vacuum cleaners before I go to college in a few days. This will be my last video for quite a while. A General Electric swivel top, 2-speed General Electric upright, straight suction model 69 GE 2-speed, Premier upright, General Electric hand vac, gray bar hand vac, Premier upright, Vitovac 88, Airway 88, Airway 66A, Compact C2, Compact C9, Rexair Model B, Rainbow D2, Rainbow D4, Rainbow E-Series, Filter Queen Model 700, Filter Queen Model 95X, Lewitt Electronic Model 121, Fairfax A Touch of Class SC PD7, Filter Magic Watermatic 3, Silver King Model AE, Custom King Model AE, Hoover Elite Cyclonic, Hoover Spirit with the Quadraflex Power Nozzle, Hoover Celebrity 2 Powermatic, Hoover Constellation Model 858, Hoover Slimline with the cord reel, Electrolux Model G, Electrolux LXI, Electrolux Model 30, Royal Deluxe Power Team, Royal Air Model 260, Royal Anniversary Edition, Royal 801, Saniway Mark IV Air Washing Unit, Amway Clear Track, Hamilton Beach Deep Clean, Kirby 515, Kirby 512, Regina Housekeeper Plus, Universal Upright, Singer Powermaster, 2 vacuums I'm leaving for my parents while I'm gone to clean, the Kenmore Progressive and one of my Phantom Thunders, Kenmore Dry Tech, Kenmore Kencart, and other Dry Tech, 2 Kenmore Destiny Pluses, one 11 amp, one 12 amp, Bertman made Kenmore Twin Fan, 2 Kenmore Magic-Core canisters, the compact model and then the full-size model, Hoover Model 750, Hoover 105, Hoover Model 28, Hoover Model 61, Hoover Convertible, the Canadian-made model, 2 Phantom Thunders, another Phantom, Eureka the Boss Superlight, Eureka Freedom, Eureka Hand Vac, Eureka Rotomatic, Compact Eureka Canister, Montgomery Ward Signature Canister, and then another Montgomery Ward, the Power 2, Bradford Imperial, Pencrest Stick Vac, 2 Phantom Furies, the limited edition, and then the copper colored one, Phantom Cyclone XT, Phantom Lightning, and then my 3 Phantom Wildcats. And then in the back of the basement, in addition to my Miele Flamenco canister, I have some more project vacs. My very rare Hoover Phase 4 System 1000 electronic, my Phantom Capture, Phantom Crosswind 600 XL, Kenmore Destiny 3000, and then I have my ShopVac Ultra 8-gallon back here as well. So that's it.